Hi everybody. I wanted to do a quick video on how I was able to get a running total of a repeating section. Now if you've been following Ewan Gamble on Twitter, you know now that there isn't a calculated control in the new responsive forms, so we have to go about this a little bit differently. So one of the first things that I did was I went into my new variables tab and I created a variable called sum of expenses, and I just used the out-of-the-box sum function and grabbed my line item amount to then run that sum on. So how do we create that? So we'll go ahead and create a new one, and we're going to do a quick search for sum. So we'll add that in and insert it, and then we're going to go into my form and grab the line item amount and insert that into there. Give it a name. We want it to be a decimal, and we're going to click create. So that's how we can easily create our form variable to do our sum of our line items. The next thing we need to do, and one of the things that I was struggling with, was writing an actionable rule on a repeating section control. So what I ended up doing was just using one of my required fields as my actionable control to write my rule on. So I have a drop down, and if save action is equal to submit, then I grab my total and I'm going to set the value to the sum of expenses, that variable that I just created in the step before. So now if I go out to preview, I can grab my save action, and if I choose submit, I can put in my 500, add a new row, maybe the next one is 600, and as you can see, we get our grand total from our repeating section amounts into our grand total control. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.